Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am going to talk about a very important grammatical point. So many of my students, make mistakes here. So as a teacher, this is my experience that many of my students often make mistakes in using s or es. Okay, so they normally sometimes they ask me, sir, where to use extra s or es with the main verb. So today in this video we are going to talk about that. Okay, so the topic of the today's discussion is use of extra s or es with the main verb. So hope if you watch the video there will be no problem of using extra s or es with the main verb. So hope you will be with us. Okay, so this is very simple. So you will have to remember that in present simple tense there is only one tense, I mean present simple tense or present indefinite tense. We use extra s or es with the main verb. Now the question is, when do we use extra s or es with the main verb? This is the question. So it's very simple. If your subject is third person singular number, I mean in present simple tense, if your subject is third person singular number like Nasim, he, she, okay, Korim. So if you see or find this kind of subjects or nouns in your sentences, so simply you will have to use extra s or es with the main verb. And here I need to tell you one more thing, that when your sentence is affirmative, okay, I repeat, when your sentence is affirmative you will have to use extra s or es. But if your sentence is negative, interrogative, or like interrogative plus negative, you don't need to use extra s or es with the main verb, though your subject is third person singular number. Is that clear? Okay. And another thing, that if your subject is indefinite pronouns like everybody, everyone, okay, so someone, so if you see subjects like this, okay, this kind of pronouns in your sentence, you will have to use extra s or es with the main verb. Okay, so I have just some examples for you here. So let's look at the examples to make it clear. Okay, so the first example is Jennifer goes to university. So here subject is Jennifer, and Jennifer is of course third person singular number, right? So that is why we have used extra es with the main verb or principal verb go. Okay, so Jennifer goes to university. Is that clear? And this is an affirmative sentence. Okay, and look at the example 2. Jamil learns spoken English. So Jamil is again third person singular number, so learn is main verb and we have used extra s with the main verb. So Jamil learns spoken English. Okay, and look at the example number 3. Everybody. So everybody is indefinite pronoun. Okay, so as I told you, when your subject is indefinite pronoun, you will have to use extra s or es with the main verb. Okay, so everybody likes, so extra s, likes honesty. Okay, so but you have to remember, as I told you, if your sentence is negative, interrogative, or interrogative negative, you are not going to use extra s or es with the main verb, though your subject is third person singular number. Okay, so look at the example like Jerin is third person here. Jerin does not go to college. So here we are not using extra s or es with the main verb, because here we have written does not. So after does not or do not, we never use extra s or es with the main verb. Okay, so Jerin does not go, the principal form of the verb. Okay, Jerin does not go to college. Okay, and look at the example number 5. Does Jerin go to college? So this is an interrogative sentence. So here we are not using s or es with the main verb. And number 6, doesn't Jerin go to college? It means yes, Jerin goes to college. So negative is negative, but when you write doesn't Jerin go to college, it means yes, Jerin goes to college. Okay, so this was all about the use of extra s or es with the main verb. So very simple. There is only one tense, that is present simple tense. And when you use extra s or es with the main verb, when your subject is third person singular number. So hope you students enjoy the class, and if you do enjoy it, don't forget it with your friends, and see you in the next class. Bye bye.